there are a few questions that intrigue our curiosity. How did our civilization, our species, and our tree of life come into existence? What shaped us into who we are today? But the pressing question remains, what will be the future of humanity?
Between climate change and collapse.
"10,000 years from now, the climate of our planet is changing and not in a positive way. In the last decade, the amount of glaciers lost has grown by 130%. NASA research indicates that about 300 billion tons of ice disappear every year in the North Pole, while about 130 billion are lost in the South Pole. This effect would raise sea levels by 3 or 4 meters, causing several countries to submerge. The reduction of the ice surface would increase temperature, significantly negatively affecting the survival of animal species and human beings. Beyond the global impacts of climate change, another natural process is quietly altering one of the world's most iconic landmarks. 50,000 years. Niagara Falls, the symbol of natural power, and one of the world's most iconic wonders, is unfortunately destined to disappear. Every year, the water from this unique spectacle erodes about 30 centimeters of the underlying rock, causing the retreat of the fall's crest. Although this process has been slowed by 50% due to human intervention, it is expected that, at the current rate, the falls could disappear completely in 50,000 years. Moving forward 100,000 years, another risk to Earth's future begins to emerge. The Yellowstone caldera, one of the most powerful supervolcanoes, is a sleeping giant whose awakening would bring only destruction. This massive crater, measuring 70 by 45 kilometers, sits atop 2 magma chambers. Yellowstone has experienced 3 major eruptions in the past 2.1 million years, with the most recent occurring about 631,000 years ago. Though the chances of a super eruption soon are low on a human timescale, they predict that such events could occur every 100,000 years. If an eruption of this scale were to occur today, its impact would be catastrophic worldwide. In 500,000 years, Earth could face another natural threat. Asteroids larger than 1 kilometer in diameter are rare but not impossible. The probability of such an asteroid hitting our planet in any given year is very low. However, over a timescale of 500,000 years, this probability increases significantly. Despite these events may seem distant, they remind us of Earth's unpredictable future, urging us to prepare for the survival of life.